For more on today's market action, let's go to Ines Ferre, who is live on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Ines.
And Miles, there's a survey out of Shanghai from the American Chamber of Commerce that says that the majority of U.S. firms with operations in China expect to see a revenue hit in the current quarter because of the coronavirus, and that some of these firms are also accelerating their plans to shift their supply chains out of China. Now, I do want to mention Apple today because that's been a Dow laggard. Apple's going to be extending its store closures in China. They were supposed to reopen on Monday, February 10th, and now that has been shifted to anywhere between the 13th and the 15th of February. Also making a mention of the car makers, which these car makers have temporarily shut down some of their plants in China. And you've got pretty much all the major car makers that have done this, including Ford. Ford is going to be resuming its operations on February 10th on Monday. Also Honda, Nissan, BMW supposed to restart their operations in February, and also Fiat Chrysler. Some of those factories have been closed temporarily as well because of the coronavirus. And then you've got just some companies like Canada Goose today warning of a revenue hit because of the coronavirus, saying that they've seen a sharp drop-off in traffic in China. And also Canada Goose saying that even international destinations, because of global disruptions, those international destinations may be affected in places like the U.S. and also in Europe. And then L'Oreal with a strong fourth quarter, but also warning of the impact of the coronavirus on travel retail, also saying that it is just too early to assess the extent of the risk. Miles?
All right, Ines Ferre, we'll talk to you after the closing bell.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.